Good morning children. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. So children, in the last video we have seen exercise 2 and 3, and also in the previous videos you have learned about comparison of decimals, then conversion of decimals into fractions and vice versa. Then also you have seen how to convert unlike decimals to like decimals, isn't it? What is like decimal? When the given decimal numbers are having equal number of digits after decimal, such numbers are known as like decimals. Okay, such decimal numbers are like decimals. So students, now in today's video again we are going to learn a new topic, that is addition and subtraction of decimals. You know how to add or subtract numbers, na? Same thing we will do here, but here we are going to add or subtract decimal numbers. The way will be same. जैसे आप पहले प्लस या माइनस करते हो, same thing you are going to do here. It's here also. But one thing you should keep in mind, that before adding or subtracting decimal numbers, first convert each and every decimal given into like decimal. Okay, after conversion of decimals into like decimals, then you can simply add as you are doing. Okay, let me explain you with one example, students. So exercise 4, question number 1, add the following. First point I am going to explain, 32.17 and 81.32. You are going to add this. What I told you, students, while adding decimal numbers, convert them into like decimals and then you are going to add. Okay, let me write the first one. First addend is 32.17. So it has how many places? Tens place and hundreds place. Look in the second number, here also tens place is there and hundreds place is there, means already they are like decimals. So now simply you can add you can write like this, and now you can add. How to add, students? First of all, put the point below point. Here a point is given, again here the point is given, now put the point here. Now you can simply add 7 plus 2, 9, 3 plus 1, 4, okay, 2 plus 1, 3, 8 plus 3, 9, 10, 11. See students, we got our answer. Answer is 113.49. Clear? Again let us see this number after decimal. Tens, hundreds, thousands. Again tens, hundreds, thousands. But look here, whole number. Here it is tens and ones, and here it is only ones. So how to add? Let us see. Let me write first 63.751. Okay. Now how to write the second number, students? Again remind this thing very clearly. Okay. Whenever point is given, okay, means whenever you are adding or subtracting decimal numbers, write the first number as it is. Now before writing the second number, now students, put the point. If you will use this trick, always your answer will be correct. Okay, first put the point from the second number, and now you can place the values. 3, 2, 1. Correct, na? Now where to write 8? 8 I'll write below ones place only. And if in case you are not putting this point, then in hurry what you can do, you can simply write 8 here below 6, then 8.321, and your answer will surely be wrong. Reason, 8 is in ones place. If you will write it below tens place, then obviously your answer is going to be wrong itself. So that's why what to do, students, while adding or while addition or subtraction of decimals, after writing the first number and before writing the other number, first put the point of that number and then you can place the digits. Now see, ones digit 3 and 8, then here for tens nothing is there, so now I will be putting 0 here, students. Now let us add. Again first put the point. 1 plus 1, 2, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 3, 10, 1 carry over, then 3 plus 1, 4, 8 plus 4, 12, again 1 carry over, 6 plus 1, 7. So I got 72.072 as the answer. Okay, let us see point number D. Again first I will write the number 1.7. Okay, see the second number 8.32. What I told you, first put the point. Don't start writing 8.32. No, first put the point. Here I will put the point. Now automatically each number will be just below its place value. Now next digit is 3, which is in the tens place. Okay, then hundreds. Hundreds is in the 2 is in the hundreds place. But is 7 with hundreds? No, na, what I told you, while addition or subtraction of decimals, we have to convert them into like decimals. So students, for converting into like decimal, I have put 0 here, then 8. Clear? Then again first I will put point, then 3, 2, 6. Now this third addend is having thousands place also. No problem. For your next digit, again put a 0 and make them as like decimals. Then 7, 2. What about this tens place? Put 0, 0 here. Now simply add, students. 6, 4, 7, 6, 3, 3, 6, 6 plus 7, 13. 1 carry over, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, again 1 carry over. So 82.346 is my answer, students. See how easily we are able to add. Okay, let us see one more point. 0.982. Return the first number. Now before writing the second number, put point. Okay, now write the digits as given. Then 0.1586. Now for the whole numbers, I can simply put 0 in the blank place values, and here also for making them like decimals, put zeros. Now you can add 2, then 7 plus 8, 7, 7, 14, 15, 15 plus 5, 20, 2 carry over, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 1 carry over, 8 plus 1, 9, 3, 6. 639.202 is our answer, students. In this manner you can add decimals. Now the point which I have left, your work, you have to do it as homework. Now we are going to start question number 2, students. So students, question number 2, find the difference. Again values are given to us. Let us write 232.8. Second number 143. Okay, what I told you, for writing the second number, put point first. Same thing we'll use here. I have put the point, then I will place the values. 62143. Now you can see here that the first number is unlike decimal. For making it into like decimal, I have written 0 here. Now simply you have to subtract, so we have to borrow 1 here. Now 8 will become 7, this will become 10. 10 minus 2, 8, 7 minus 6, 1 point. Then again borrow 1 from here, 12. 12 minus 3, 9. Here it will be 2. Again borrow 12 minus 4, 8. Then 1 minus 1, 0. So our final answer is, or the difference of these two numbers is 89.18. Okay, let us see the next one. 100.892. Before writing the second number, put point, then place the numbers. 8, 2. Now just put 0, 0 wherever space is there. Now subtract 2, 9, then 8 minus 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10 minus 2, 8. Then 9 minus 8, 1. Here 0. Difference is 18.592. Next one, students. 729.117. Then now see, the next number is 613. It is a whole number and not a decimal number. So if it is a whole number, means no point here, no problem. What you will do, students, but anyhow you are working with decimal number, na? So put point below point, whether it is given or not, you do like this only. Now 613, is this 613 a decimal part? No, students. So write it in the place of whole number part. Okay, now after point, as we have to make them like decimals, so I have written 0, 0, 0. So 613.000 or 613 are same only, students. Okay, so like this you can do. Now subtract 7 minus 0, 7, 1, 1, then 6, 1, 1. So we got our answer. Next one, students, 236.1. Again I'll put the point first, then 6, 1, then 3, 2. Okay, now convert it into like decimal. 0, 0 here. 10 minus 1, 9, 0. Again 10 minus 6, 4. Then 5 minus 3, 2. 3 minus 2, 1 and 2. So the difference is 212.49. So you can see, students, the trick is same as we have set the number for addition. In the same way we have set the number for subtraction, and we have found the difference. Now students, question number 3 again is subtract. Again here we are going to subtract, means again here we are going to find the difference itself. So note it down, then we will start question number 3. So students, question number 3, subtract. First point is 56.89 from 81.75. Which number we should write first, this one or this one? Obviously the second number. Whenever from word is given, students, always write the second number first. Okay, why? Because you are asked to subtract this from this. Isko, isse. So isse will come first itself. Okay, and also you can see 56.89 and 81.75. Which number is greater? For subtraction, you have to write the greater number first. Na? So here this is greater. You will write it here. But again remember this, whenever subtraction question is given with from word, always the second number first you are going to write. So 81.75, then 56.89. Both are like decimals only, simply subtract. So 15 minus 9, 6, then 16 minus 8, 8, 10 minus 6, 4, 7 minus 5, 2, 24.86. So let us subtract. 325 is a whole number, but I told you after whole number you can put point. So put like this. Then again for writing the second number, first put point. Then like this we have written. Okay, now make them like decimal by putting zeros, and now you can simply subtract. 10 minus 1, 9. Then 9 minus 8, 1. Then 4 minus 3, 1. Then 12 minus 6, 6. And 2. So our answer is 261.19. Note it down. So next one, 932.6. Again first I'll put point and then place the digits, and for whole number I'll put 0. For this also I'll put 0. Simply subtract. 10 minus 5, 5. 5 minus 3, 2. 2 minus 1, 1. Then 13 minus 8, 5. So we got 851.25. Last one, 581.35. Then 462.70. Then subtract 5. Then 13 minus 7 will get 6. 10 minus 2, 8. 7 minus 6, 1. 5 minus 4, 1. 118. So students, question number 4, simplify. In simplification questions, you can see that we will be getting decimal numbers, addition and subtraction both for decimal numbers. Okay, see here 32.7 plus 11.23 minus 9.52. Addition is also there and subtraction is also there. So if you will get such type of questions, then how you are going to solve? Let's see. So students, when addition and subtraction are together, there are two steps that you will follow. First step is to make them like decimals. Here after point tenths is there, here after points tens and hundreds is there, here after point tenths, hundreds, means highest place value is hundreds. So each decimal should have hundreds place value. So that's why I'll write it as 32.70. Now it is also like decimal. Then 11.23, and then next step is to rearrange, students. Rearrange means the numbers which are with plus sign, that you will write together, and after that minus sign. But here only 1 plus and 1 minus is given, so we have simply written. Now let us add this two first, students. So here I will write 32.70 plus 11.23. Let us add them. So 3789.2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4. I got 43.93 as their sum, students. Now this sum will be subtracted to 9.52, means again I will write like this 43.93, and I will subtract. Again how to write this? First put point, then 5, 2 and then 9, means with their sum we are going to subtract the second number. Now let us subtract. 3 minus 2, 1, 9 minus 5, 4, then 13 minus 9, 4 again, and here 3. 34.41 is your final answer. Like this we simplify the given points. Okay, B point, students. Let us check plus, minus. Again only two operations are given. First convert them into like decimals. After decimal, tens, hundred. Here again tens, hundred. Here tens, hundred, thousands, means each decimal number should have up to thousands place. Let us write 235.000. Then again plus, sorry, here 1 2 is already given, no? So 235.120. Clear? Then plus 18.780 minus 93.53 3, 1. Now you can see the numbers are like decimals. Now let us solve. So let us add this two first. 235.120, then again put a point and then write the rest of the digits. 180. Let us add 0, 8, 9, 10, 7, 8, 9, point 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 5, 2, like this. Okay, so this is the sum, students. Now again take this sum 253.900 and subtract this. So put a point, 5, 3, 1, then 9, 3 and a 0. Let us subtract, students. So 10 minus 1, 9, 9 minus 3, 6, 8 minus 5, 3, then 3 minus 3, 0, 15 minus 9, 6, 1. Okay, 160.369 is your final answer, students. So you can note it down. Then we are going to see our point number C. Here itself I am rubbing and writing, students. So point C for question number 4 is 500 minus 62.75 minus 19.801. Okay, now convert them into like decimals, means 500 point. Here I can see in the third decimal number it is given up to thousands place. So that's why after point I will take thousands place, minus 62.750, again minus 19.801. Okay, students, now we have converted them into like decimals. Now we can start solving. So 500.00, let us subtract this two first. So the way I have already explained to you, that way only you will be using. Subtract 0 minus 0, 0, 10 minus 5, 5, 7, 9 minus 7, 2, 9 minus 2, 7, then 9 minus 6, 3 and a 4. 437.250. Now this difference again we will write 437.250 and subtract with the next one, means this number 19.801. Let us subtract, students. 10 minus 1, 9, 4 minus 0, 4, 12 minus 8, 4, 16 minus 9, 7, then 2 minus 1, 1 and 4. 417.449 is our answer, students. Okay, now point number D and E will be your work. You are going to do it as homework. So students, today in this video we have seen addition and subtraction of decimals. That's all for today. In the next class we will continue with the next question. Thank you.